Do you want to add Instagram link on WhatsApp? You can put an Instagram link to your WhatsApp bio with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add your Instagram link on WhatsApp profile, first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, select Settings. A new screen appears. Tap on your profile name or profile photo at the top. Now, at the bottom of the screen, tap on Links. Here, you will see different social media options. From here, tap on Instagram. A new screen appears. Enter your Instagram username in the box. You can find your Instagram username at the top of your Insta profile page. Once added, tap the Save button to confirm the changes. Now, your Instagram profile link has been successfully added to your WhatsApp profile, and your contacts can visit your Instagram directly from WhatsApp.